How to get 3 free items on Temu. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, open the Temu app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. Now to get free items, tap on the U button at the bottom of your screen. Then tap on Play and Earn option, which will take you to Earn Credits and Free Gifts section. Here, you can basically select whichever option you want. I'm going to select the one that says All Gifts Waiting. Tap on the Pick Gifts Now option over here. Now you get to click to win your gift. For that, tap on Win My Gifts option. Now go ahead and start picking your first free gift. I'm going to select this one first. Now tap on Pick This Free Gift Now option over here. After that is done, you want to select 2 other free gifts in the same way. After you've selected all of these 3 gifts, you want to enter your address, then tap on the Confirm option. Now you will have to pack up these 3 gifts. Tap on the Pack Now option over here. Now in order to get the free gifts quickly, you want to invite your friends. The more friends you invite and the more they accept your invitation, you will get energies. Using these energies, you will be able to pack your gifts. After your gifts have been packed, they will be shipped to you absolutely for free. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.